Okay, pabalik na tayo ng bahay at isa lang siguro yung masasabi ko sa travel natin, schedule natin for the day. Lagi naman nating tatandaan na kung hindi ikaw yung may control ng isipan mo, if you are not in control of your own thoughts, then someone will take charge of that. Lagi nating maalala, lagi nating tatandaan na maging responsable sa lahat ng mga dapat nating gawin. Be 100% responsible in all our actions. Kasi at the end of the day, ang principle lagi dito, you are the cause and you are the reason, the principle, and you are the one who could make your own destiny. Kaya sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, the one to blame. Lahat ng ito ay choice natin. Sige, ingat and see you.